In the heart of Southeast Asia, where turquoise waters meet golden shores, the iconic long-tail boats of Thailand gracefully navigate the labyrinthine network of rivers, canals, and the azure Andaman Sea. Crafted with care by local artisans, each long-tail boat is a masterpiece of design, featuring a slender hull adorned with vibrant colors and intricate patterns. The elongated propeller shaft, from which the boats derive their name, stretches gracefully into the water, propelling them forward with a distinctive hum that resonates through the air. These boats are not merely vessels. They are the lifeblood of coastal communities, connecting remote islands and hidden coves with the mainland. With a skilled captain at the helm, the long-tail boat becomes a storyteller, recounting the tales of fishermen, traders, and explorers who have traversed these waters for generations. The scent of salt water mingles with the fragrant blooms of tropical flora, creating an olfactory symphony that lingers in the air. In a world that often rushes forward, the long-tail boats of Thailand serve as a reminder of a slower, more deliberate pace. They carry with them the spirit of a bygone era, inviting travelers to embrace the serenity of the journey and appreciate the timeless beauty that unfolds with every ripple in the water. So, as the sun dips below the horizon, casting the long-tail boats in silhouette, remember that each voyage is not just a passage from one destination to another, but a dance with the essence of Thailand's coastal soul.